In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an accountant's adjusting entry into QuickBooks. This process can be a key part of ensuring that your financial statements accurately reflect your business's financial activity. So let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the Sign In button to access QuickBooks. This is your first step in entering the QuickBooks environment where all the magic happens. If you happen to be using QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to select it from a list of options. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to move on to entering your login credentials. Carefully type in your username and password, then hit continue to proceed. This will take you into your account dashboard where you can perform a myriad of financial tasks. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option labeled with a plus sign, which is the plus new button. This is your gateway to initiating a variety of tasks in QuickBooks. Select plus new to start a new transaction. From the list of options that appear, choose Journal Entry. This allows you to manually enter transactions directly into the general ledger, a powerful tool for ensuring accuracy in your bookkeeping. With the Journal Entry dialog open, one important feature you'll see is the Is Adjusting Journal Entry checkbox. You'll want to select this option whenever you're recording an adjustment. Adjusting entries are typically used at the end of an accounting period to update account balances before preparing financial statements. This could include things like depreciation expense or accrued expenses that need to be recognized. Next, you'll follow the standard procedure to record the journal entry. Here, it's crucial to input the correct accounts, debits, and credits. You'll also want to provide a clear description for each entry to ensure that it's easily understood by anyone reviewing your financials. Be meticulous with these details to prevent any discrepancies when financial statements are generated. Getting this part right is key to maintaining accuracy and compliance in your accounting records. Once you've entered all necessary details for your journal entry, double check the information for accuracy. Mistakes can lead to inaccuracies in your financial reporting, which could complicate things down the line. When everything appears correct, click on Save and Close to finalize the entry. This step commits your adjustments to the financial records in QuickBooks. And there you have it. You've successfully entered an accountant's adjusting entry in QuickBooks. This method not only helps in maintaining accurate books, but also ensures that your financial reports are reliable. Thank you for watching, and make sure to review your entries periodically for accuracy. This will help keep your business's financial health on track. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips.